fleet managers. Leveraging technology can slash your fuel costs. Want to know more? Download our guide for 80 proven strategies and tech solutions designed to maximize your fuel efficiency.
This week's CCJ Tech Shorts features a new fleet analytics software designed to reduce insurance costs, an integration that aims to improve cargo security, a new inspection solution for identifying vehicle damage, and more. Welcome to CCJ Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker-Jones. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started. Alliant Insurance Services has rolled out a new fleet analytics software that aims to help fleets of every size translate real-time mileage, driver behavior, and claims trends into better coverage and lower premiums. FleetLytics is compatible with most fleet telematics, camera, and in-vehicle technology providers. It offers a centralized dashboard that consolidates safety, compliance, telematics, and claims data into a single real-time view of fleet activity and surfaces insights that enable underwriters to evaluate fleets based on current performance. Supply chain asset and cargo security provider Babaco has partnered with IDScan.net to help combat cargo theft. The company has embedded IDScan.net's Dive identity verification technology directly into its transportation and shipment management platform, Babaco Fulfillment. Before Dive, companies could monitor cargo, track vehicles, document inspections, and verify delivery workflows, but there was still limited assurance that the individual accepting or transporting freight was properly authorized and who they claimed to be. The integration allows Babaco users to verify IDs and driver credentials without leaving the Babaco application. Identity checks occur natively within existing shipment workflows with automated data flow and real-time verification results delivered directly inside the platform's operational screens. Transfix, a TMS provider for freight brokers and 3PLs, has launched a new AI-powered shipment troubleshooting capability. The tool compresses shipment investigations that typically take 15 to 30 minutes of manual work into roughly 30 seconds of self-service review. It compiles state transitions, carrier events, stop-level activity, EDI status, and document history in one chronological case file. 17 built-in anomaly detectors cover operational, tracking, timing, financial, and compliance issues, and a natural language layer answers questions about a shipment in plain English so routine investigations no longer escalate to engineering. For freight brokers and 3PLs, this results in faster shipper response times, reduced support load, and proactive problem detection before customers ask. Platform Science has expanded its Canadian electronic logging device certification on Daimler Truck North America's factory-installed Common Telematics Platform 2, or CTP2. Built on Platform Science's virtual vehicle platform, this expanded ELD certification enables fleets operating Freightliner and Western Star vehicles equipped with CTP2 to run a single integrated compliance solution across the US and Canada, unlocking seamless cross-border operations with no aftermarket ELD gateway hardware required. Eagle Vision Security, a technology company specializing in AI-powered fleet visibility and intelligent damage detection solutions, has introduced a new inspection solution designed to help fleet operators proactively identify vehicle damage, document incidents in real time, and improve visibility across truck yards, logistics terminals, and transportation facilities. Intelligent damage reporting uses advanced AI-powered imaging and analytics to automatically detect visible damage in real time. When damage or inspection issues are identified, intelligent damage reporting provides fleet operators with immediate access to detailed visual documentation and real-time reporting data. High-resolution imagery, AI-powered analysis, and centralized reporting tools help accelerate incident reviews, improve maintenance coordination, and support faster operational decision-making.
That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.